Hello everyone and welcome back to the Flavorsome Kitchen. Today, I am going to show you how to make a classic southern dish, chicken fried steak. It's crispy, flavorful, and perfect for a weekend brunch or dinner. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 4 beef cube steaks. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Half a teaspoon cayenne pepper. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 cup buttermilk. 1 egg. Vegetable oil for frying. Now guys, let's cook. Step 1. In a shallow bowl, mix together the flour, paprika, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper. Step 2. In another shallow bowl, whisk together the buttermilk and egg. Step 3. Dip each steak in the flour mixture, making sure to coat both sides evenly. Step 4. Next, dip the steak in the buttermilk mixture, and then back in the flour mixture. Step 5. Heat about 1/4 inch of vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Step 6. Carefully add the coated steaks to the hot oil and fry until golden brown, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Step 7. Use a slotted spoon to transfer the steaks to a paper towel-lined plate to drain excess oil. Step 8. Serve hot with your favorite sides, like mashed potatoes, gravy, or green beans. And there you have it, folks, a simple and delicious recipe for chicken fried steak. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.